Have you built back-end infrastructure, but now you're struggling to manage it? I built an AI-powered note-taking app for transcribing meetings, but I don't like the management environment for my backend. It's messy, complicated, and I can't find information easily. That's where InsideOut, the agentic infrastructure builder and manager, comes in. Let me explain. InsideOut is an agentic tool that designs, builds, deploys, and manages your backend infrastructure. It picks the right components, configures them, and writes the Terraforms to run them. But what if you've already built your backend and you've got existing infrastructure? Well, now InsideOut can manage it. Just point InsideOut at your existing cloud account and it will read what's already there, map it out, and generate clean Terraform for everything it finds. Here's what it looks like from a fresh start. During onboarding, you choose Connect your existing cloud environment. Next, you choose whether you want to import existing Terraforms or generate fresh ones that point at your existing infra. We'll generate clean ones. We'll create our account. And next, let's connect our cloud account details. My infrastructure is hosted on AWS, so we'll select AWS. And then I'll add my role ARN. And I'll add the connection. Now let's continue to scanning our infrastructure. And here, you choose how much of your cloud account to scan. You can scan everything, or you can use the advanced filters to narrow components down by region, tag, or type. We'll just scan everything. And here you can see everything InsideOut found, grouped by category, and it tells you what components InsideOut supports now and what components are coming soon. You can also view your resources more traditionally. But let's go back and have a look at the components in more detail. So, for example, in data storage, we found 4 resources, 2 are ready to import and 2 are coming soon. You can also see at a glance where most of your resources live and the common tags. Now let's select what we want to import. Again, you can filter by tag and type, and you can easily view your infrastructure in 2 ways: as a grid or as a list. And you can view each category in more detail. You can select just some of the categories, or you can just go ahead and select all your components to import. We'll select all, and we'll continue. Next, you'll subscribe. Depending on the size of your infrastructure and how often you intend to make changes, you may need a different plan. For a small app like mine, the starter plan is plenty, but if you want to rapidly iterate through back-end designs for your app, you might want to consider a higher tier. We'll start our free trial. And finally, we can generate our Terraform and run a plan. In this step, InsideOut will generate Terraform for your stack and mock the changes to your infrastructure in a plan you can review before anything actually happens to your components. This is like a dry run of what's really going to happen once you approve the import, but nothing changes unless you say so. So let's do that now. This usually takes a few minutes. So, we're all ready to import our live resources into Riley's management. Before we do that, we can review our Terraform and the plan by clicking here. You can see the full logs of both the plan and your generated Terraforms. You can also see at a glance what will change after importing. We're importing all the components that we selected, and none are being added, none are being changed, and none are being destroyed. This is just a quick safety check, so nothing happens to your infrastructure without you knowing. So I'm happy with that. let's apply and import our components. And that's your import complete. Let's go to management. So we're in management, and here's my AI note-taking app. I can see all the Terraform here with this button, and all those messy menus and confusing systems are gone. Everything's laid out cleanly, no messy tabs, no hidden screens. And if I'm not sure about anything, I can manage my infrastructure conversationally using Riley, InsideOut's chat agent. From here, you're operating like you built in InsideOut from day one. Already built something with InsideOut? You can do the same thing from an existing project. Bring in infra that lives outside your current setup, or import your own Terraform directly. Just press import here at the top, and you'll go through the same flow without having to create an account or subscribe.